RL Doucet presents our new double-user carts. Compatible with vacuums over 200 CFM, these units are equipped with 2 reels, each of them containing a 50-foot-long hose. You can now complete your maintenance task where you want with 1 or 2 users simultaneously. This cart includes a workspace to facilitate the carrying of your tools while cleaning. All you have to do is connect your vacuum to the main hose, open one or both valves depending on the number of users, connect your tools to the suction hose, vacuum what you need, and then turn the reel to get the hose back into its stored position. Contact us now to obtain your quote.